So good evening all, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Okay, see yesterday Andhra Pradesh intermediate results were announced. Those who are going to appear for even advanced supplementary examinations, but in our YouTube channel 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, most of the topics will be available, but you can suggest to your friends also so that they may get benefited. So definitely they will get good marks. So just inform them and share to your friends. Good evening all. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. Next coming to 2 or 3 days, even Telangana TS intermediate results may be announced. Don't worry about the result, but you will be get benefited. So once again, I request you all, please do suggest our channel to your friends. Already integration chapter is completed. Integration chapter completed. Already we have in intermediate 2B we have 101 videos that will be available. Okay. Right now, so in the previous session we have discussed up to 62 problems. So now we are going to discuss rest of the problems. Okay. So now let me come to the binomial theorem. Binomial theorem. Part 8. Part 8. This is 63rd problem. Yes. 63rd problem. Correct. 63rd problem. The term independent of x in the expansion in the expansion 1 plus 2x plus 2 upon x whole cube is first option 12, second is 18, third we have 36, fourth option is 25. Okay, no problem. Right. See, during this lockdown period it will be very useful even for outgoing second year students also. I have uploaded more than 800 videos that will be useful for even intermediate. You can suggest to your friends. Okay. The term independent of x in the expansion 1 plus 2x plus 2 upon x whole cube is. So we need to find out. So that means right. Okay. Here solution, let us do it now. Solution. This 1 plus 2x plus 2 upon x whole cube can be written as 1 plus 2 common. We have x plus 1 by x whole cube, you can write it. So this seems to be rather a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula. What is a plus b whole cube formula? A plus b whole cube expansion equals to, we can write a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Am I correct now? Here a stands for 1, b stands for 2 times of x plus 1 by x. So this can be expanded like this. 1 cube is 1 plus 3 times a square. A square is 1 into b. b is 2 times x plus 1 by x plus 3 into 1 b square. B square means 2 square is 4 times x plus 1 by x whole square plus b cube. B cube means 8 to cube x plus 1 by x whole cube. So now we need to pick up independent term. So independent term means, actually here see, this is the independent term, but in this one actually we don't have any independent term because we have x term 6x plus 6 by x. So here independent term is 0, so you can neglect this one now. Next here whole square is there. Whole square means a plus b whole square formula. Here a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here constant term will be 2. In this, as the power is 3, here also no independent term. Here independent term 0, here independent term 0. So that means we can write now independent of x equals to independent of x equals to 1 plus, from the second term 0, here already 3 into 4 into 2 plus 0. This will be 1 plus 24 equal to 25. That means fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Okay, next problem now. Sixty-fourth problem. 64th problem. Sixty-fourth problem. Okay, I will explain. Don't worry. Here see, just I have written as a plus b whole cube form. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here see, this will be 6x plus 6 by x. No independent term here. Here x plus 1 by x whole square means we have like this. X square plus 2 plus 1 by x square. 2ab means x cancel. The 2 will be the constant term. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. That I have written. 3 into 4 into 2. Whenever power is odd power, we don't have any independent term, constant term. So that's why here also we don't have, here also we don't have. 1 is the constant term. 1, here 0, here 3 into 4 into 2 plus 0. So answer is 25. Right. Soumya Sri, please don't put all these things. It's not good way. Please stop all these things. 64. The coefficient Vivek Sai already uploaded integration, everything, integration completed. You check in the playlist. the coefficient of x to the power of 53 in the expansion okay Balu, thank you. In the expansion of sigma m is equal to 0 to 100 cm x minus 3 whole to the power of 100 minus m multiplied by 2 to the power of m is coefficient of x to the power of 53 we need to find out in this expansion. So first option is 100 C53, second option minus 100 C43, third option minus 100 C53, fourth option 100 C50. No problem, Sham. Okay, Nandakiran. The coefficient of x to the power of 53 in the expansion of sigma m is equal to 0 to 100 cm x minus 3 raised to 100 minus m and 2 to the power of m. This is nothing but binomial expansion general form. So with the help of the binomial theorem, so we can no, not yet completed this problem. So now you see sigma r is equal to 0 to n ncr x to the power of n minus r a to the power of r is equal to x plus a whole to the power of n. This is x, this is a, this will be the power. So now we can write this one as x means here x minus 3 plus 2 whole to the power of 100. This can be written x minus 1 whole to the power of 100. This is 1 minus x whole to the power of 100. X to the power of 53. In this one we need to write a general term, write down tr plus 1 is equal to 100 cr minus x to the power of r. We need 53, x to the power of 53. X to the power of 53 means this is x to the power of r. R value is equal to 53. So that's why you get 54th term, that is equal to 100 C53 minus x to the power of 53. This will be minus 100 C53 x to the power of 53. So minus 100 C53. Third option is the right option. Okay, I think so. Yesterday we might have completed also. Yes, correct. But moreover, I have discussed it in another method. Don't worry. You can say this is better. 64th A, you say this special problem. Again, I will complete another problem. 64 only now. Right, 64. In the expansion 1 plus x whole to the power of m into 1 minus x whole to the power of n, the coefficients of x and x square, x and x square are 3 and minus 6 respectively. Then m is, that means the value of m is, first option is 6, second option 9, third option 12, fourth option is 24. This is the question. Okay, no problem, Anush Kamalakar. Right, welcome. But you need to chart, don't chart personal, you need to chart regarding to the subject itself only, confined to the subject. Right, in the expansion 1 plus x whole to the power of m times 1 minus x whole to the power of n, the coefficients of x and x square are 3 and minus 6 respectively. Then we need to find m value. Okay, that means first of all we need to expand this one and this one, and we need to pick up x and x square coefficients. They must be equated to 3 and minus 6. We get two equations. The two equations we need to solve so that we get the value of m. Okay, let us try. Solution: 1 plus x whole to the power of m is 1 plus mc1x plus mc2x square. Because up to x square is enough, dash dash, last term is mcm x to the power of m into, now 1 minus x whole to the power of n expansion, 1 minus nc1x plus nc2x square plus so on dash dash. This is enough. These up to 3 terms are enough for us. Here see, let me explain now. Here we have x coefficient and x square coefficient, m1 c1 into 1, and next minus n1 c1 into 1. This will be the x coefficient. What is the x coefficient means? Actually 1 multiplied by mc1 and minus nc1 multiplied by 1. So let us write it now here. Coefficient of x equals to 3. So that implies we get now mc1 into 1, mc1 and minus nc1 into 1, minus nc1 equals to 3. mc1 is m, so m minus n equals to 3. That implies we get n equal to m minus 3. This one equation we will get it. Okay. So next, now we need to find out x square coefficient. See, x square coefficient means here mc2 x square multiplied by 1. Okay. Next nc2 x square multiplied by 1. Okay. And moreover, this also. Take another color now. Take another color. Now mc1x into minus nc1x also. You will be getting x square term. Right. Here see this color now. nc2 into 1 nc2. Write down now here. Coefficient of x square equals to minus 6. That implies, let us pick up the x square coefficients. nc2 into 1, nc2 into 1 plus mc2, next mc1 x into minus, that is actually minus mc1 into nc1 equals to, we have minus 6. So we need to simplify this one. We need to simplify this one. Right. Now we need to simplify this one. nc2 plus mc2 okay. Right. Okay, now let us move to the next page. Here nc2 is n into n minus 1 upon 2 plus mc2 means m into m minus 1 upon 2 minus mc1 is m, nc1 is n, mn equal to minus 6. Okay, multiply with 2, you get like this, n square minus n plus m square minus m minus 2mn equals to minus 12. So m square plus n square minus 2mn we can write m minus n whole square. Am I correct now? M minus n whole square plus minus n minus m. So we have minus common, n plus m equal to minus 12. Now we have m minus n equals to 3. So here 3 square is 9 minus n plus m equals to minus 12. So we get m plus n equals to, take m plus n that side, 21, because 9 plus 12 is 21 and m minus n is equal to, we have 3. So adding these two equations, n cancelled, 2m is equal to 24, m equals to 12. So this is the answer, m is equal to 12. Yes, it's very lengthy, because very lengthy, no shortcut for this one. You need to do it very carefully. You need to do it carefully. You need to do it because this is actually previous IIT problem. Okay, this is very lengthy. I too agree. Okay, 65th problem. 65th problem. Am I correct now? 65th. Balu, Suma. If the sum of the coefficients in the expansion a square x square minus 2ax plus 1 raised to 51 vanishes means become 0, vanishes, then the value of a is, okay, First option 2, second option -1, third option 1, fourth option -2. If the sum of the coefficients in the expansion a square x square, yes we have. If the sum of the coefficients in the expansion a square x square minus 2ax plus 1 whole to the power of 51 vanishes, then the value of a is. That means first we need to find out sum of the coefficients of the expansion we need to find out. That can be evaluated by substituting x for 1 and that is equated to 0. Then we get the value of a. Okay, let us implement it. Let us say f of x equals to a square x square minus 2ax plus 1 whole to the power of 51. Sum of the coefficients. Sum of the coefficients. It will be obtained by substituting x for 1. Okay. This equals to a square and x square is 1 minus 2a plus 1 whole to the power of 51. So this is equated to vanishes means 0. That implies a square minus 2a 51 is also 0. This is nothing but a minus 1 whole square equals to 0. That implies a minus 1 equals to 0. So a equals to 1. Third option is the right option. Sixty-sixth question. 66th question. 66th question. If y equals to x minus x square plus x cube minus x to the power of 4 plus dash dash up to infinity. Here mod x is less than 1. Then x equals to first option y upon y plus 1, second option y minus 1 upon y, third option y upon 1 minus y, fourth option y plus 1 upon y. This is the question. Right. If y equals to x minus x square plus x cube minus x to the power of 4 and dash dash infinity, then we need to find out x value. First multiply both sides with minus sign. Then what do you get now here? Minus y equals to, you get minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x to the power of 4 and minus dash dash infinity. Okay, adding 1 on both sides. Having been added 1 on both sides, what shall we get it now? So we get 1 minus y equals to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x to the power of 4 minus dash dash infinity. Just observe the right hand side. Right hand side is nothing but is the formula. What is the formula? 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 1. Sorry, 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1. Am I correct now? So that's why this can be written 1 upon 1 plus x. Now we can write 1 plus x equals to 1 upon 1 minus y. We need to find out x value. What is the x value? X equal to 1 upon 1 minus y minus 1. So 1 minus y, 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus y. So this equals to y upon 1 minus y. That means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Am I audible to you, all of you? Audible? Balu, Suma, Ishwar, Pramila. Am I audible or not? Nobody is telling. Right. Thank you. 67. 67. The number of thank you. The number of irrational terms okay, irrational terms in the expansion in the expansion 4 root 3 plus cubed root 7 whole to the power of 36 is first option 30, second option 33, here third option 31, fourth option 29. Okay, I ask you one question. Now in this one, how many outgoing second year students are present this year? That means 2021 academic year intermediate students are there. Please chat yes or no in the chat box. How many are there? Nobody. Right. Number of irrational terms in the expansion 4th root 3 plus cubed root of 7 whole to the power of 36 we need to find out. So that means actually here what we need to do means first total number of terms in this expansion first we need to find out. Okay, right. Solution, first total number of terms, total number of terms in the expansion is, because it's a binomial, n plus 1, 36 plus 1 equal to 37. Now in order to find out irrational, in order to find out irrational, first we need to find out number of rational terms. Write down number of rational terms. Number of rational terms is equal to 36 upon LCM of 4 and 3, that is 12, integral part plus 1, that is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. Understood now? So therefore number of irrational terms equal to total minus number of rational terms. Number of rational terms. Number of rational terms. That is equal to how much? 37 minus 4 equal to 33. That means second option is the correct option. Second option is the correct option. Okay. Okay. How many of you are in now present second year? How many of you? Chart in the box. Okay, all are Eamcet. Right. '68 problem. 68. Right. The expansion not completed, studying the expansion x plus square root of x cube minus 1 whole to the power of 5 plus x minus root over x cube minus 1 whole to the power of 5. Okay. Not 2020 to 2021 is a polynomial of degree. The degree of this polynomial we need to find out. Right. First option is 8. Second option is 7. Third option 6. Fourth option 5. Right. So now this expansion can be written like this. Because 5 means total we have 6 terms. This is x plus a whole to the power of 5 plus x minus a whole to the power of 5. This can be written like this. 2 times this is t1 plus t3 plus t5. Because odd, 2 into sum of the odd terms, we'll get it now. So this equal to, we can write now 2 times t1 stands for x to the power of 5, t3 stands for 5c2 x cube into root of x cube minus 1 whole square, x cube minus 1, and plus t5. t5 means x cube minus 1 whole square you will be getting. See, here actually x cube into x cube is x power 6, x cube whole square also x power 6. Therefore, degree is equal to 6. Degree equals to 6. That means third option is the right option. So my question is that how many number of students are going to appear for Eamcet or JEE mains in 2021? Those students, you give yes or no. That's all. That is my question. Because I am going to start JEE mains classes, depends upon the viewers, I will start the classes. Have you got it now, all of you? How many of you going to appear? Yes, okay, 1. Right. Okay. 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 Manasa Tota. Eamcet. Okay, leave it. Okay. 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 Right. Right. Okay. One thing I will do. One thing I will do. Okay. 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 I could understand now. Now, 69th problem. 69th problem. Okay. 69th problem. If x equals to 99 to the power of 50 plus 100 to the power of 50 and y equals to 101 to the power of 50, then okay, then first option is x greater than y, second option x less than y, third x equals to y, fourth option product of x and y equals to 1. This is the question. Right, it's very important problem. Now we need to establish the relation between x and y with the help of this question. Yes, this session is meant for Eamcet 2020. If x is equal to 99 to the power of 50 plus 100 to the power of 50 and y equals to 101 to the power of 50, then we need to find out the relationship between x and y we need to find out. That's why first let us do one thing. 101 means we can write 100 plus 1, whereas 99 we can write 100 minus 1. With the help of these two, we can establish relation between x and y. So let us see now. Here, consider 101 to the power of 50 minus 99 to the power of 50 right down. This can be written 100 plus 1 whole to the power of 50 minus 100 minus 1 whole to the power of 50. Okay. Here we get like this now. 2 times x plus a whole to the power of n, x minus a whole to the power of n. That means here you will be getting even terms t2, t4, t6 and so on dash dash. Leave it now. That means 2 times t2 right on. Second term. What is the second term in this one? Second term means 50c1 into 100 to the power of 49 plus this will be 50c3 100 to the power of 47 and plus dash 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 dash. Leave it this one now. 50c1 is 50. This 50 into 2 is 100. 100 into 100 to the power of 49 is 100 to the power of 50. Plus we'll be getting 2 times 50c3. You need not expand this one now. 100 to the power of 47 plus dash dash dash. Say that means actually 101 to the power of 50 minus 99 to the power of 50 is 100 to the power of 50 plus something. Plus something means the value of this one will be always greater than 100 to the power of 50. Am I correct or not? That's why we can write 101 to the power of 50. Obviously we get 101 to the power of 50, 99 to the power of 50 is greater than 100 to the power of 50. So now take away minus 99 to the power of 50 that side. Now we get a relation 101 to the power of 50 is greater than 100 to the power of 99 to the power of 50 plus 100 to the power of 50. See, according to the problem, no, not yet completed, yet to be completed. See, 99 to the power of 50 plus 100 to the power of 50 is x. So 101 to the power of 50 is y. This is x, this is y. So we get relation y greater than x. So that implies x less than y. That means second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Not option 1. Option 2 is the right option. Right one. Problem number 70. Problem number 70. If 6 plus root 35 to the power of n equals to I plus f, where I is the integral part, no, not yet completed, f is the fractional part, where I is odd, and 0 less than f less than 1, then I plus f multiplied by 1. This is not I, 1. 1 minus f equals to. This is the question. Yes, Suma. Yes. These problems are actually level 2 and level 3 problems. First option is 1. Second option is 1 by 2, 1 upon 2. Third option is 2. Fourth option is 4. This is the question. Right. If 6 plus root 35 whole to the power of n is equal to I plus f, where I is odd, 0 less than f less than 1, then I plus f into 1 minus f we need to find out. Right. Now here given I plus f equals to 6 plus root 35 whole to the power of n. Okay. Next, what is given? 0 less than f less than 1. Say equation 1. Right. Let us consider some f dash is equal to 6 minus root 35 whole to the power of n. See, root 35 is somewhat less than 6 value. Definitely this will be decimal point you will be getting. This will be decimal point. That's why 0 less than f dash less than 1, fractional part. Say 1 and 2. Adding. If you add these two, what do you get means 0 less than f dash plus f less than 2. So now let us add these two now. I plus f dash equal to 6 plus root 35 whole to the power of n plus 6 minus root 35 whole to the power of n. This will be, you will be getting 2 times t1. Don't write the terms, only some of the odd terms write down. t1, t3, t5 and so on dash dash. say this is something n, it will be 2n. So because you remember one thing, I plus f dash is integer means this must be integer. This must be integer means I assumed f dash here. F dash is equal to 6 minus root 35 all to the power of n. Since f dash plus f is an integer between 0 to 1 is, that implies obviously f dash plus f becomes 1. So here f dash is equal to 1 minus f, nf. Now we need to find out I plus f into 1 minus f. So that means, therefore we need to find out I plus f multiplied by 1 minus f we need to find out. So I plus f multiplied by 1 minus f is nothing but f dash. I plus f is 6 plus root 35 all to the power of n multiplied by f dash is assumed value 6 minus root 35 all to the power of n. This is a plus b into a minus b. So you watch actually Balu my first video part 1, you will get idea. X plus a all to the power of n plus x minus a all to the power of n. This is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, you get 36 minus 35 all to the power of n. That is 1 to the power of n equal to 1. So that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Right. Seventy-one. The coefficient of x to the power of 17. The coefficient of x to the power of 17 in the expansion of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 and so on, x minus 18 is first option 164, second option minus 171, third option 194, fourth option 221. This is the question. I don't have the idea. That depends upon the questions and time. I cannot say like that. Okay. Right. The coefficient of x to the power of 17 in the expansion x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 and so on, x minus 18 is, we have one shortcut formula. Let me explain the shortcut. The coefficient of x to the power of n minus 1 in x minus 1, x minus 2 and dash dash x minus n equals to minus of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash dash plus n. This equal to minus sigma n, that is minus n into n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, here now n is equal to 18. This will be the n value. So therefore x to the power of 17 coefficient is equal to minus 18 times 18 plus 1 is 19 and 2. Okay, 2 9 ja. How much we will be getting? 9 9 ja 81, 171. But minus negative of 171. So second option is the right option. Sudha, check your options. Swati, Maheshwari, not option 1. Option 1 is wrong. Right. So now 72. Okay, 72. Problem number 72. X minus 1 whole to the power of 4 plus 4 times x minus 1 whole cube plus 6 times x minus 1 whole square plus 4 times x minus 1 plus 1 equals to. Who is Mr. Krishnamachari Karmala? Where are you from? Hi Murthy sir, you are saying. Who are you? Where are you from? Krishnamachari Karmala. Where are you from? X to the power of 4. Second one is x cube. Third one is x square. Right. Yes. It is not meant for you. It is present second year students. Fourth option is 1. Right. So now the solution you see. So this can be rewritten like this. X minus 1 whole to the power of 4. 4 can be written 4c1. X minus 1 whole cube. 6 can be written 4c2. X minus 1 whole square. This can be written 4c3 of x minus 1 plus this can be written 4c4 into 1 to the power of 4 you can write. So this is nothing but okay. It is nothing but actually see a to the power of 4 or x to the power of 4 plus 4c1. This also 4c0 you can write. This is equal to, we can write, this will be into 1 cube, 1 you can write, 1 square you can write, 1 cube you can write, 1 power 4 you can write. Okay, right. This is x minus 1 plus 1 whole to the power of 4. Obviously this will be x to the power of 4. That means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Right. Next, 73. This is very important problem. The integral part of root 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 6 is the integral part of root 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 6 is first option 196, second option is 195, third one is 197, fourth one is 198. Okay. Integral part of root 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 6 we need to find out. This type of question is very important in the examination, competitive entrance examination. See, for this one I will give very simple process. So you remember like this, integral part means you can say like this, integral part of root 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 6 equals to, you write down like this, root 2 plus 1 whole to the power of 6 plus root 2 minus 1 whole to the power of 6 minus 1. Always remember this one. Okay, first we need to find out this one. This is in the form of, I will write, don't worry, for your sake, because Balu is asking x plus a whole to the power of n, x minus a whole to the power of n is equal to, we can write 2 times first term plus third term plus fifth term plus dash dash, because actually how many terms are there here? 7 terms. So you get t7. So this is the, and sorry, wait, now we don't know the n value. This will be continued. This will be continued plus dash dash. But as far as this root 2 plus 1 all to the power of 6 plus root 2 minus 1, Ishwar Rao Pudi, where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? We need to add root 2 minus 1 and subtract minus 1. Exactly, exactly. Okay. So now this is equal to, we can write now 2 times t1. T1 stands for first term, that is root 2 power 6. Okay. Plus t3, second term, 6c2 root 2 power 4. t5, t5 is 6c4 root 2 whole square plus t7, t7 is 6c6, 6c6 root 2 power 0. So minus 1. You need to simplify this one. You need to simplify this one. I think Ishwar, for you, you don't have the such thing. You don't have such thing. That means you are wasting a lot of time. Thank you, Ajay Khanna. You did good job. 2 times root 2 power 6 means 2 cube, 8. 6c2. 6c2 means 6 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 2, 15. Root 2 power means 2 square, 4. 6c4 is also 6c2, 15. Root 2 square is 2. 6c6 is 1 plus 1 and minus 1. Let us simplify. 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30 is how much? 60 plus 30 is 19, 98, 99 minus 1. That means 198 minus 1. 197 is the integral part of the given question. 197. So that means third option. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye bye. Because in the evening hours, 1 hour is enough for us. So because only here we have all Eamcet batches, I will postpone to the JE classes after 2 or 3 days. Okay. Right. Thank you. Bye bye. And once again, see, those who are appearing for advanced supplementary examinations, I have the videos in our YouTube channel. Please just recommend them. So you send, even you can send the links also. Umshi Krishna Yadav and others, Swati Singh, even Suma, others, just help your juniors. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you.